He was doing what he needed to do to be successful. He wanted to create a successful life for himself, and he did.
Austin immigration advocates say they're seeing a growing number of people detained by Immigration and Customs Enforcement following traffic stops across Texas. That includes an Austin high school senior and varsity soccer player whose supporters say was detained last week after a stop by the Texas Department of Public Safety for an expired registration. CBS Austin's Farrah Walton joins us live after attending a rally for him tonight and has more on their message. Do you know, is he going to graduate, and what did the protesters have to say?
Well, Walt, protesters say they're not sure if he'll be able to graduate in just a few weeks. But earlier today, emotions did run high out here as students, teammates, community members all gathered together to rally for the release of Luis Fernando. He was just weeks away from graduating when he was detained by ICE.
I told them that I was a student, that I was coming home from work. They told me that that didn't matter.
A detained Northeast Early College high school senior is now speaking from inside an immigration detention center.
They chained my feet, my waist, and my hands.
A press release from his supporters states Luis Fernando Cabrera was detained during the early morning hours of May 1st after a traffic stop by Department of Public Safety troopers for expired registration. The release says he's now being held at the Karnes Detention Center, which is more than 100 miles from Austin.
They wake us up at 4 in the morning to eat, but there's only one plate and one spoon for 8 people. We all have to share it.
We're told Luis is the goalie for the high school's varsity soccer team and is set to graduate in just a few weeks.
Someone that you see every day in school, and it definitely hurts.
They say he also helps support his sister and baby nephew.
La rutina de Fernando.
He would help me take my baby to the babysitter, go from there to his school, have soccer practice after school, then head from practice to his job where he would work until 2 in the morning.
We're also told his family has a pending asylum case connected to alleged abuse and threats they faced by a government official in Mexico.
They want to deport me to a country that I can go back to because I fear for my life.
Austin immigration attorney Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch says she's seen more ICE detentions following traffic stops across Texas.
What they've pivoted to now is a quieter, more insidious model where through partnerships with law enforcement, people are being pulled over while driving and taken from their families.
We've reached out to DPS and ICE asking for more information on Luis's arrest and detainment and are still waiting to hear back.
I'm completely heartbroken about the news.
For now, supporters say his detention is putting graduation at risk. And rally organizers say the family currently has 2 attorneys working on this case. Meanwhile, immigration attorneys say cases like this can often leave families navigating lengthy immigration court proceedings for weeks or even months. But we will continue pressing ICE and DPS for answers and keep you updated once we hear from them. Reporting live, Farrah Walton, CBS Austin News.